to encapsulate matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that of propositions that illustrate the principle of a subject. You hear that theoretical evidence. A theoretical means a collection of propositions. Then you have the idea of intersubjectivity phenomenology. But before we get into intersubjectivity phenomenology, let's explore specifically different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists. I didn't have...
What do you think about subliminal messages in entertainment media?
Oh wow, that's a that's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the preconscious, subconscious, and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person embodies music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave? It turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So